We hope that the Excellency's visit will fruitful and beneficial for both the countries, and near future, inshallah, we will do business, which will be, it is the requirement of the time. So, because we are not doing trade with the neighboring countries, and now CIS country is more important than any other countries, because in CPEC land routes via Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and other CIS countries. This is the main route, and where we can export our goods to 72% of the world. So we will definitely utilize this platform and try to enhance the bilateral trade between both the countries.
Yeah, first of all, I'm honored to be in Karachi Chamber of Commerce and welcomed by Honorable President. We are here to enhance our relations, first of all, our economic relations. I hope our visit will facilitate to this, and this is our second but not last visit. We will try to visit Karachi as much as possible in order to see our friends again.